In this video, I will walk through different rock map configurations when you have a map opened and are ready to begin picking. First, you will notice the field name, total rocks, acres of the field, and your GPS connectivity bar. When this bar is green, that indicates a GPS accuracy of 5 meters or less. If this bar is yellow or red, you have a lesser accuracy. When you first open the map, you'll notice it is a heat map, indicating the highest dense areas of this field. When zoomed in, you'll notice each rock is color coordinated per its rock size. If you select on a point on the map, this will bring up an image of that rock and its size. On the right hand side, you will notice 4 icons. The top icon is the start and stop button. When you open a map or enter a field boundary, it will appear as it does now, meaning it is recording any traveled path you take across this field and in turn marking any rocks that you drive across as picked. When stopping it, it is no longer recording your traveled path, and in turn the app is no longer going to mark rocks as picked that you travel across. The second icon down is the layers button. When selected, this will bring up other options for the rock map. Toggling on or off the outside mode will simply turn your screen black, making the screen easier to view if you are having trouble seeing it on a bright sunny day. Proximity ring, when toggled on, will give you a 10 meter, 20 meter, or 30 meter radius around your location. When toggled on, you'll notice an additional icon added here. Simply select on it to change that radius. The next option is show picked rocks. When toggled on, this will show all picked rocks and turn these color coordinated dots to dark blue, indicating that they have been picked. If you wish to have rocks disappear off of the map as you pick, simply turn this off. Now rocks will disappear off the map as you drive across them. When picking mode is toggled on, this will hide rock map verification tags to better view rock dots. You will want to have show suggested route toggled on. This will display the most efficient route to take across this field to pick. Show tag rocks, when toggled on, will simply show any additional tags that you mark when driving across this field. If you want to drop a tag and add notes, simply press and hold on that field, and now you can drop a tag and add any pertinent notes. Lastly, at the bottom, you have a slider bar in which you can filter out rock sizes in which you wish to view or pick with. For example, if I only wanted to pick rocks that were 18 inches and bigger, I would slide this over to 18 inches, and now I can see only 18-inch rocks and bigger, and it will take me on a new suggested route to just pick those. The home button, when clicking on that, simply takes you to this view, an overview of the field squared up. Lastly is your location icon. There are 4 different modes you can pick with. First being free mode, which is indicated now with the black dot, target dot. This centers your location with the center of the screen with north of the top. As you move, the map will not follow you. You must scroll manually. Simply tap it again to turn it blue. Now, when moving, north will always be at the top of the screen, and the location indicator will be centered at the point of direction of travel. Simply tap it again. Now you are in follow heading mode. When moving, the direction of travel will be towards the top of the screen. The location indicator will be centered. Simply tap one more time. You are still in the same follow me heading mode, but now the screen is laid flatter. Lastly, in the very top right, these 3 dots, when selected, you can delete traveled path, delete any tags, or delete any images, or click on sync to manually sync your traveled path data.